How to find out that someone has hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. These days cheaters are celebrating because previously everyone would see that they locked some chats since they would appear on the top of the chat list, but now there is no way you can see because there is a feature on WhatsApp that allows them to hide them. Now I'm going to share with you 2 ways you can find out that someone has hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. But if you also want to hide some locked chats, go in the description, there is a link to the video that shows how you can do that, but I pray they catch you as you're cheating. Now here are the possible 2 ways you can find out. First, you need to access their phone and go to WhatsApp. Now go right here to the search bar and then type in that emoji or the word you think they saved as their secret code. Most of them use emojis. For example, this emoji right here, I used it to hide some locked chats. The moment you type in that emoji or the secret code and it's right, the locked chats will unlock themselves automatically, as you can see right there. Now, the second way you can find out this is to type the name in the search bar you think that person saved on the number they hid in the locked chats. Make sure that you type in that name. Once you type in that name and that name is in the locked chats, it will not appear. If that number is on WhatsApp and the name doesn't appear, just know that they locked that chat. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new. See you in the next video.